Hi guys. Today we are going to answer below questions through practical demonstration. The first question is how to ensure or test tripping characteristics of circuit breaker, and the second one is how to do heat and test of bus bar. Practically we will see the first one, and the second one you will get it automatically how to do it. One of the main function of circuit breaker is to open the circuit under abnormal conditions. Designers select breakers based on the protection coordination required. By having the practical tripping current and tripping time, one can add value to the protection coordination designs. There has been always need of hit run test, that is temperature rise test, as per Indian standard requirements for bus bar in PCC and MCC at full load current conditions. So here how we can test circuit breaker tripping characteristics and how we can see the temperature rise into the bus bar by giving the current at normal frequency, that is fundamental frequency 50 hertz, but not abnormally but normally. So these two issues to solve, we very well understand that we need current source which shall consume very small power but can generate high currents at fundamental frequency. So what is the solution for this? So let's check it out. This is primary current injection source. So here this you can call this as a current source only, and here you can see this is a electrical equipment design machine, and it is made for 0 to 1000 ampere current source. Now I'll just explain you what is the components of this machine and how we can operate it. Now as you see, uh, the main plug is plugged in a main source, and it is going over here, that is mains 230 volts. This is a PI on. Here you have to start the current injection procedure. This is PI off, so whenever you want you shut it off, and this is the ammeter. What is the current going through the apparatus, it will show. Now this is a timer, it will show you the time for which it has been. This is a current controller. By varying the knob, you can vary the current from 0 to 1000 ampere in this case. So I already explained you how it is done. Now see, these are the output terminals. This is the output where you connect the testing apparatus, in this case MCCB, across these two terminals, and these are the external CTs wherein you can actually measure the current externally. We have connected here the LM35 power quality analyzer to see the current. I will just explain you what is the MCCB and what is the thermal characteristics of MCCB. Let's check it out first. This is typical thermal magnetic release MCCB. Here you can see the complete details of the breakers: molded case circuit breaker, NT2 Indo-Asians make. Now this is a fixed type overload threshold MCCB. What do I mean is the I overload is equal to the I rated current. Here the IN is 125 ampere. So here any value equal or above 125 ampere MCCB will initiate the tripping on temperature buildup characteristics in bimetallic strip. In typical case, 125 ampere MCCB trip in almost 60 to 100 seconds for an overload of 250%. So here for 125 ampere MCCB, we are planning to inject 350 ampere current through MCCB as one of the pole. So you can see now we have done the setup for testing the MCCB's tripping characteristics. The MCCB is connected here over here. Now we are going to inject the current, as I said, 350 ampere or above. So the 250% of the normal rated current. We'll start the procedure. Now I'm just making it on. So now the primary injection kit is on. The time has already started, and now we are varying the current and gradually increasing it to 350 ampere. Now let's see. It's now 32 ampere, 38 ampere, 59 ampere, 79, 89. Now it is increasing. You have to do it a little faster. I'm doing it slow for a demonstration purpose, but practically you have to do it faster. Now it is 284, 293, 300. Now we are reaching to 372. So now it is we are fixing it at 372 ampere. MCCB is on. The current is flowing through MCCB. Now it is 46 seconds. We'll see through tongue testers. Now it is 350 ampere is flowing through MCCB. Now it's 64 seconds, almost 1 minute. The tripping must have initiated, but due to thermal characteristics it will take time to trip. It has got trip now. What trip? 0 ampere. Now 91 seconds. So 91 seconds we have stopped the timer. The MCCB has already tripped. I'll show you the tripping of this. You see the timer is showing 91 seconds. Current is 0. MCCB has been tripped. Now this is a tripping condition. The MCCB has tripped on thermal overload. So you have seen the answer of the questions practically. Now anything that you need a current source for testing, the same kit can be used. For heat run test of bus bar, you have to just replace the MCCB by bus bars, and you will get the heat run test or temperature rise test done for your equipment. Thanks for today. Have a nice day.